Good morning this Thursday, the 19th of December. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed sharply lower on Wednesday as investors responded to disappointing rate outlook out of the Fed's last FOMC meeting for 2024. The Dow Jones posted its 10th straight losing session with a decline of 2.58%, while the S&P 500 tumbled 2.95% and the tech-heavy Nasdaq tanked 3.56%. The Fed lowered the US cash rate to 4.25 to 4.5% as expected at the final Fed rate meeting for the year, but investors were more focused on the commentary out of the Fed that it will only cut rates twice in 2025, which is half the number of cuts previously forecast out of the US central bank. Over in Europe on Wednesday, markets closed slightly higher as investors responded to the UK inflation data and awaited the Fed's rate decision in the US. The STOXX 600 rose 0.16%, Germany's DAX closed flat, the French CAC rose 0.26%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.26%. UK inflation data showed inflation in the region rose to 2.6% in November, which was in line with economists' expectations. Across the Asia region overnight, markets closed mixed on Wednesday ahead of Japan's central bank interest rate decision later this week. Japan's Nikkei fell 0.72%, South Korea's Kospi index rose 1.12%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng rose 0.95%. The local market closed virtually flat on Wednesday with a 0.06% decline as a sell-off in consumer discretionary and financial stocks weighed on gains from industrials and healthcare stocks. The flat reading on Wednesday was due to investors sitting on the sidelines awaiting the Fed's final rate decision for 2024, which came out this morning. Vulcan Energy shares rose 1.9% after securing an €879 million or $1.4 billion loan commitment for its €2.2 billion Phase 1 Lionheart project in Germany. The financing involving export finance companies in Australia, and 7 commercial banks will support the development of Vulcan's geothermal lithium project. On the commodities front this morning, oil is down 0.34% at $70.05 a barrel. Gold is down 2.22% at $2,588 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.16% at $105.58 a ton. The Australian dollar has weakened significantly against most currencies overnight to buy 62.25 US cents, 96.31 Japanese yen, 49.69 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. Ahead of Thursday's trading session here in Australia, the futures are expecting the ASX will open the day down 1.61%, and that's tracking Wall Street's tumble overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has initiated coverage of James Hardie Industries with a buy rating and a 12-month price target of $64. The analyst sees James Hardie has significant growth potential in North America, where it has a current strong market leadership position already. The analyst also sees that JHX is one of the most defensive and high-quality companies leveraged to the US housing market. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Hum Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 17 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 69 cents per share to the range of 88 cents to 92 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Thursday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.